6th birthday, 66 years old, Tribhuvan University. 66 years of Tribhuvan University. Tribhuvan University is the first university of Nepal. Started on 25th June 1959. So last year, 65th birthday of Tribhuvan University was arranged with a program that is possibilities of 500%, 5 times economic growth of Nepal in 5 years. Here King Tribhuvan, उसका बेटा King Mahendra started Tribhuvan Airport on 15 June 1955. Tribhuvan University 25th June 1959. National Botanic Garden 28/10/1962. So the birthday of a university is much important than any other birthday. Jesus' birthday as Christmas, celebrating, what is the use? For the present growth of Nepal is only due to this university. I am sure that my grandfather, Professor Vijay Joseph CHERIYIL, was a good friend of King Mahendra, and at that time there was democracy, and there was Prime Minister Koirala. That period was the best period of Nepal. A lot of education institutions started, a lot of factories started. So the growth of a country, growth of the society is mainly due to educational institutions. So the 1 year back the program was done, I saw, and special issue journal. I am working on that. It will be published soon as Economic Growth of Nepal, special issue of Indian Journal of Botanical Research. Economic Growth of Nepal, special issue of Indian Journal of Botanical Research. So, economic growth of Nepal, there is the 2081 calendar was prepared, published, and similarly 2082 calendar is there, and two side of it you will get in the niche of the calendar. Nepal needs Kathmandu Ring Road Metro 28 km. It can be completed in 2 years. East-West Railway 1000 km. Then virtual colleges 3000 is needed for Nepal. Then sugarcane. So 3 years back the program was in the Central Library of Tribhuvan University, Kathmandu. In Kathmandu there was no sugar. So Nepal can export sugar. Then mango is available only for 2 months. So present mango plants can be converted into Baramahine. Simple grafting, simple techniques only needed. So Modi ji can start. India can start AIMS, IIT, ISER, etc. for Nepal. So the growth will be occurred ISA only. So the growth of the country is very important. Last year, July 18, autism, Downs and other genetic syndromes was done. And the program was done near the autism school with more than 100 autism bacha, that is near Prime Minister Koirala. Prime Minister is Oli, previously Prajanda. Anyway, the recent statistics says more than 6 lakh autism bacha in Nepal, highly increasing in Nepal. So this year, अगला प्रोग्राम्स आता है And 15-year back, sustainable utilization of red listed medicinal plants. More than 1.2 lakhs full money collected from UGC by Pichala Kathanar by submitting color bills and not given any money. I lost too much money and still attacking. So it is better not to do seminars ऐसा, better to do simple way. So उसका एक प्रोफेसर मैथ्यूस टॉक का थोड़ा पार्ट that was presented by Manoj, cytogenetics of chromosomes. Bishop is there, Henry Baker College. So this program was done on 27 November 2020. After that we killed more than 7 crores. That means Nepal ka population only 3 crore. Kerala ka 3.2. Uska double we killed. So Indian Journal of Botanical Research, this is 2010 issue. Lot of articles from all countries. It was restarted from Nepal as Syngona special. Syngona from South India, Syngona from North India. Then that seminar that was published as a book also. The possibility of Syngona to control COVID-19. Here you can see the Vice Chancellor, Botanic Garden Kathmandu, Asanka Becha, in Indian Botanic Garden, see, Dr. Mao, Syngona saplings. Then important. So Syngona, a book itself is published. Then this year so many programs, simply by a single click it can be printed in multicolor. So that November program ka book, the programs. So coming programs are here. May 17 BP plants, August 17 human genetic syndromes and management. Human genetic syndromes and management. November 14 medicinal plants for diabetes, International Diabetic Day. November 20 medicinal plants for piles. Nepal का एक बड़ा problem है piles, so medicinal plants for piles. In March 12 medicinal plants for kidney stone. That is also a bada problem of Nepal. Bada problem of Nepal. So birthday of Tribhuvan University is very important. Last year economic growth का बारे में program, and this year उसका journal. I am working on that. Economic growth of Nepal special issue. Economic growth of Nepal special issue. So university is more important. Birthday of university is we have to celebrate, and we have to grow the universities. Nepal have to start a university for Nepali language, literature and culture. And veterinary and fisheries university is also needed, because national animal of Nepal itself is cow. And we have to start universities like that. Similarly, I have started 2 universities last year, that is International University for Peace and Buddha University for Democracy. So democracy, what is seeing is not democracy. So we have to start a university for democracy and teach what is democracy, real democracy. Similarly, peace. So this year, our conference, November ka conference, IICSSL with the theme Food, Shelter and Peace 25, 2026, 2027. What is needed? Only love. Already we have 100 times love. So the Third World War should be against starvation. So we have to fight against starvation. That is the need of today. So coming programs, so many programs are coming that will be done in other places. So best wishes, Tribhuvan University. Happy birthday to Tribhuvan University. Thank you.